GoodNotes 6 is finally out now. Not a lot has changed, but we do have some AI integration now. But is it really worth the upgrade? In this video, we're gonna take a closer look to GoodNotes 6 and see whether it lives up to the hype. In case you're new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. Before we even get started, we have to talk about the pricing first. I was actually expecting that it would roll out as a free upgrade for people who already own GoodNotes 5, but that wasn't the case. You get a 7-day free trial, of course, if you just wanted to try it out. They also have a subscription model that will cost you $10 every month, but you can go for a one-time payment instead, but that will cost you $30. GoodNotes are actually offering some discounts, so you can go to their website to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not really a fan of the subscription model, hence I might just get the one-time payment done. Now let's discuss if it's worth upgrading or not. Everything is the same more or less. There are only a few minor changes. And the AI, of course. Firstly, we have a new look in the UI department. Looks fresh, to be honest. It now has the side panel that looks very similar to that of the iOS theme. There's this option called the marketplace in the left panel. It basically replaces the GoodNotes store that used to be there. You can now check out and buy different templates and stuff from here. After this update, you can actually change the color of your folders that you have created. This feature was actually highly requested, as this will allow us to create two color code folders based on different projects and subjects, and rather it really looks good with the entire layout. You can even add icons now if you wanted to. When it comes to the actual page layout, you can now add different colored pages if you want. I still will be going for either black or white as my page color, as I don't really want to write on a pink colored page. So yeah, the layout has changed a bit as well. Now you have 3 tabs on top: the handwritten tab, the text tab, and the audio recordings. When you click on the handwritten tab, it will open up the pen options which you were used to in GoodNotes 5. It now has a dedicated text tab which looks very similar to that of Google Docs and MS Word. It seems like GoodNotes also want to compete in the segment of text-based note taking. It has all those word correct and word predict features that would come in really handy. And the audio recordings tab, well, you guessed it, you can record audio recordings. Well, there's one feature that I absolutely love about the new update. I might actually consider upgrading just for this feature alone. You can now scribble on your text and it will be erased. I will be honest, this is insane. I often used to love striking off the text when I made a mistake. This will surely help, as it was really a drag switching from the pen tool to the eraser tool to the pen tool, then back to the eraser tool and back to the pen tool and the eraser tool. But we have an issue over here. It's not really accurate as of now. It simply messes up many times. Moments like these will make you realize that you're just better off using the eraser tool. But yeah, this issue can be fixed with a software update. Along with the scribble to erase, you can simply draw a circle around and tap on it, and it will automatically create a selection for you. That's another tap you won't have to make. So far, most of the changes were focused on the interface and also a few accessibility settings. So if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button. It will basically help me feed my puppy. Now let's talk about all the AI. There is a new spell check feature. It will highlight the words in case you made a spelling mistake. On top of that, it also offers a feature where it can fix your spelling for you in your handwriting. Well, it does not really look like my handwriting, and it often overlaps with the text around it. I would rather scribble it off and rewrite if I made a spelling mistake. Also, it's not really able to match my handwriting because my handwriting is worse than that of a doctor. No offense, doctors. Well, if you ask me, I kind of feel that GoodNotes rushed with this release, mainly so that they can hop on the AI bandwagon early. A notes app with AI, that was their target all along. Like it or not, AI is gonna be everywhere. So I can actually see why GoodNotes rushed this release to make it happen. Now, if you go to the marketplace tab, you will be able to find a segment. It has some built-in courses for ACT preparations and stuff. With time, of course, they are more likely to add different courses. It has this new AI maths assistant feature. It is currently under experimental state, but it can actually be really helpful when it rolls out. It will be able to help you solve different maths problems. Also, using the lasso tool, you will properly be able to convert your handwritten text into maths equations as well. So the question here is that, is it worth upgrading to GoodNotes 6? If you are a new user and you are looking forward to GoodNotes, then go for it, as it has one of the best writing experiences. But if you are using GoodNotes 5, then I recommend that you first get the 7-day trial and try it out for yourself, as the upgrades are very minor for an average user. If you are preparing for SAT or if you're a math student, however, then it can actually turn out to be really useful for you. So now if you would like to check out apps for your iPad that will help you stay more productive, then click here. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you there.